How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about commercial auto insurance rates here in Michigan and the factors that impact the premium. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. First, the type of vehicle your business has is going to play a big role. Larger trucks or vans are typically going to cost more to insure than smaller, more standard vehicles. And then specialized vehicles like dump trucks or delivery vans are also going to increase the cost because of their use and them being a higher risk on the road. And then next is the number of drivers you have and their driving records. If you have some drivers on the policy and they all have spotless driving records, that will obviously help keep your rates down. But if a few of them have accidents or violations, the price can go up because of the higher risk they pose. And depending on the type of violation, they might even need to be excluded from the policy entirely. Another key factor is the driving radius, how far your vehicles are actually traveling. If all of your vehicles are staying local for the most part, this will help drive your premium down. But if your drivers are crossing state lines or going long distances, this can pose a higher risk and in turn increase your insurance premiums. The type of cargo and overall vehicle use also is a big factor. If you're hauling high value goods, hazardous materials, or even if you are transporting people per se. In the case of maybe non-emergency medical transportation or a limousine company or something of that nature, the insurance companies will see these as higher risks as well, and the premiums will be reflected by that. The business size and the fleet size are also taken into consideration by the insurance company. If you do have a larger fleet of vehicles, you could qualify for a fleet discount similar to a multi-car discount on a personal auto insurance policy. But also with the more vehicles you have, the more risk exposure you have as well, which can raise your rates. Claims history is also very important. If your business has had a lot of claims in the past, or maybe one or two severe claims, insurance companies will see you as a higher risk, and this will be reflected in your rates as well. While on the other hand, if you do have a clean claims history, this can definitely help keep your costs down. And then last is trying to bundle your commercial auto insurance policy with other lines of coverage if it is possible with the insurance company, such as with general liability, your workers' comp, or your commercial property, can help you save. The more lines of coverage you are able to put with one insurance company, almost always will help decrease your rates. So as you can see, there are quite a few factors that go into determining your commercial auto insurance premium here in Michigan. And as a general guideline, you can typically expect your premiums to be, for a smaller business with standard vehicles, standard trucks, anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 or more, depending on all the factors that we just discussed, per vehicle annually. And then for the larger fleets or the more specialized vehicles, it'll most likely be much more, again, depending on factors like your claims history, how many drivers you have, how many vehicles, etc. So thank you for watching. And if you are looking for help with your commercial auto insurance, with your commercial insurance program as a whole, I would love the opportunity to work with you and maybe help you get a better idea around what the rates for your business would be. So please feel free to reach out. All of my contact info should be below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's personal or commercial related, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.